Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is SugarCRM and Agile CRM. So to get started with a quick overview, SugarCRM is a robust, highly customizable CRM platform built for mid-business to large enterprise. It offers deep automation, AI-powered analytics, and flexible deployment options, including cloud and on-premises. It's designed for businesses needing a detailed workflow, predictive insight, and integrations with a complex system. And talking about Hangio on the other side is an all-in-one cloud-based solution tailored for small to mid-sized businesses. It combines CRM, marketing, automation, and a customer service tools into one platform, making a solid entry-level choice for teams seeking a simplicity and a simple availability. Now, talking about these two platforms, what they are best for, picking this SugarCRM. SugarCRM is best for enterprise teams needing a full customization, a good customization and automation together with AI capabilities. Then on the other side, talking about Agile CRM, this platform is best for small businesses and a startup wanting affordable all-in-one CRM features. And here's a quick overall conclusion about these two platforms. So if you need a scalable, customizable CRM with a strong automation and enterprise grade features, just go for SugarCRM. On the other side, if you are a smaller business with a value simplicity, affordability, and all-in-one tools in CRM and marketing, just go for Agile CRM. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.